When filing for VA disability benefits, veterans often need to demonstrate how their condition affects their daily life. While medical records are crucial, lay and buddy statements provide valuable supporting evidence. These statements offer first-hand accounts from people who have witnessed the veteran's struggles. They provide a more personal perspective on the veteran's condition and its impact. Lay statements can come from various individuals familiar with the veteran's life. These can include spouses, family members, friends, co-workers, or even former employers. These statements offer unique insights into the veteran's challenges that might not be evident in a clinical setting. Buddy statements are a specific type of lay statement written by fellow service members. These statements can be particularly impactful, especially for claims related to post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. They offer first-hand accounts of shared experiences during service, corroborating the veteran's claims and providing context for their current condition. These statements help paint a comprehensive picture of the veteran's experience, bridging the gap between medical records and the lived reality of their condition. A diverse range of individuals can provide lay statements to support a VA disability claim. Spouses often witness the daily struggles of veterans firsthand, making their observations invaluable. Family members who have known the veteran for extended periods can provide historical context about the veteran's condition. Friends and co-workers offer a unique perspective on how the veteran's condition affects their social interactions and work performance. Former employers can attest to work-related difficulties the veteran might have faced due to their condition. When it comes to buddy statements, fellow service members who served alongside the veteran can provide crucial support. These individuals shared the realities of combat or other challenging situations, making their testimonies particularly compelling. Their statements can corroborate events that led to the veteran's condition. The effectiveness of both lay and buddy statements hinges on the competence and credibility of the writer. The individual providing the statement should be someone who knows the veteran well and has personally observed the impact of their condition. They should be able to articulate their observations clearly and provide specific examples to support their statements. Credibility is paramount. The statement should be truthful, unbiased, and free from exaggerations. It should focus on observed facts and avoid subjective opinions or emotional pleas. Statements that appear credible and balanced carry more weight with VA raters. A well-written lay statement can significantly strengthen a VA disability claim. It should be detailed and specific, providing concrete examples of how the veteran's condition affects their daily life. For instance, instead of stating he has trouble sleeping, a statement might say, he often wakes up multiple times during the night due to nightmares, and this leaves him exhausted during the day. Honesty is crucial. While it's important to highlight the challenges the veteran faces, exaggerating or fabricating symptoms can damage the claim's credibility. The statement should focus on observed behaviors and experiences, avoiding medical diagnoses or technical jargon. The statement should be structured logically, starting with an introduction that identifies the writer and their relationship with the veteran. It should then delve into specific examples and observations that support the veteran's disability claim. Finally, the statement should be proofread carefully for any errors and signed by the author.